The Jaguar I-PACE. An all-electric SUV with a 90 kilowatt-hour battery, dual electric motors producing 400 PS and 696 Newton meters of torque. A 0 to 62 mile an hour time of 4.8 seconds. A sleek, coupe-like silhouette. But most importantly, it makes you do this. Hello everyone, welcome to Tigger Life. Today we're talking about the Jaguar I-PACE, and what better place to film it than the beautiful fen end at JLR Fen End. The I-PACE's design, I mean, look at it, it's just beautiful. It's characterised by its sleek coupe-like silhouette, really sporty details, and really emphasised haunches like, well, like a Jaguar waiting to pounce. I'm really pleased that the sun's come out now. I mean, just look at this in CC on blue. There's so many cars, or in fact Jaguars on the road nowadays that are white, black, red, grey, and this car, the lines, it's just really set off by this amazing colour. CC on blue, it's just beautiful. So obviously, with it being an EV, it doesn't have your traditional internal combustion engine. It's got two electric motors, one for each axle, giving it four-wheel drive, delivers 400 PS and 696 Newton meters of torque, which is just absolutely wild. Again, like a wild Jaguar. And unlike some EVs that give you just an initial wallop, it actually delivers it in a more linear fashion. So to be fair, I mean, this thing is so fast that I really would like to see it with that initial wallop of torque. And in fact, perfect timing, I bet it'd go like this. But all joking aside, it's such an amazing drive, and it is so fast. 400 PS and 696 Newton meters of torque. It goes like an absolute rocket. It really does. So let's get out and give it a drive. Oh, this thing's so fast. I know it says that it's got more of a linear power curve, but oh my God, it really does just give you a punch straight off the line. It really does. It's so fast. Now, one thing that we did opt for is the 20-inch alloy wheels with the slightly bigger profile of tyres. Just simply because we thought that that would give us an extra level of comfort in the drive. You can get up to 22-inch alloy wheels, but we thought because of the lower profile of the tyres, we thought that'd just be too extreme. Because at the end of the day, yes, this is a fast car, and you buy it to, the main reason why we got it is because of its allure of the power and the way it delivers it. But it's also used as a daily car, so it needs to be comfortable. We don't want it to be really extreme all the time. We want to be able to go to work and not feel like we've had our bones jarred all the time. We want to go out for a nice evening meal and go home in comfort. So essentially, that's why we went for the 20-inch alloy wheels. So yes, we went for the 20-inch alloy wheels with the slightly higher profile tyres, but it still handles. I mean, look at this. It just glides around corners. It's so planted. It really is. It's so focused. It's a premium luxury SUV, but it does handle like a sports car. It really does. And yeah, it's really heavy, but it just holds the road. You've got to be progressive with how you load up the tyres and the suspension, but it really does take it. Here comes another nice corner. Really holds the road well. And then power out of the corner, not even any wheel slip whatsoever. Just sublime handling. Now, I'll be honest, if you're just going to go to the shops to pick up a pint of milk because you forgot it when you've done your shopping, it's going to be the fastest drive to the shops ever. It really is. When you know you've got that 400 PS under your right boot, you just use it all the time. Even on a 50-mile-an-hour road, I'm always up to 50 mile an hour, then just pop the cruise control on. It's just amazing. It really is. Please, everybody, stop talking about EVs, about battery life and range, and just forget about all of that. Buy yourself a fast EV and have some fun. They are epic. They really, really are. I mean, that is so addictive. So addictive. Or if you've just been out for a lovely meal with your partner and you just want to drive home in comfort, press the comfort mode, and it also does this really well. One thing that I was concerned about when we were buying an EV was, because you've got no noise from the engine, that's just going to tune your hearing into everything else in the cabin. And I have to say, they're built, when I say they, I mean the I-PACE, they're built so well that you can't hear any of the rattles or squeaks at all. It's brilliant. It's just super, super peaceful. It's a very, very calming experience if you're not using all of that power. Feel that. It's no understeer, no oversteer. It's really planted and it just holds. Oh my God. Jaguar, thank you so much. You've made a fantastic car. Now, we bought this in 2022, February 2022 it was delivered. And at that point, the list price of one of these brand new, there wasn't much change from £80,000. I can't remember the exact figure, but it was mighty expensive. But now, because Jaguar have stopped making them and there's all of this, you know, people don't really know what's going to be happening with EVs or internal combustion engines. I mean, what is it? It's 2025 at the moment. What's the current date that people are saying we need to be in full EV? Is it by 2035? So with all of that, and also because of Jaguar just not making cars at the moment until the Type 00 comes out, which I can't wait for. But essentially, the point I'm making is, you can still buy these brand new or pre-registered with 10, 15 miles on. If you look around, you can still find them. And they're just silly money. I mean, I think you can get one for £40,000 now. I mean, what a car. £40,000 for a Jaguar I-PACE with 400 PS and 696 Newton meters of torque. And if you're really interested, with a WLTP figure of 290 something or whatever, but you know, that's just bonkers. It'll never happen. In the summer, oh, I bet you didn't see that on the camera. It's a lovely Defender Trophy Edition that's just gone past. You'll never get the WLTP figures. It's just not going to happen. No chance. 250 miles in the summer, 200 in the winter. That's it. That's all you need to know. So mid-30s, £40,000 for a car like this. Just go and buy one. Go and buy one. Treat yourself. It's obvious that lots of thought's gone into the airflow on this thing. I mean, if you just look at it from the front to the rear, you can see where the air flows up and through the bonnet, over the roof line, and then through the little cutouts in the spoiler. I'd love to see what it looks like in a proper wind tunnel. The 0 to 100 km/h, or 0 to 62 mile an hour in English, it's 4.8 seconds, but I've timed it. It comes in at 4.5 seconds, which, to be honest, is F-type territory, depending on the engine, of course. And the F-type SVR would be a lot quicker. I think that comes in at something like 3.9 seconds, which again is amazing. But the V8 P450 F-type is around 4.4 seconds, so the I-PACE would really give it a run for its money. The XKR 0 to 62 mile an hour is 4.6 seconds, so again the I-PACE would beat that. With the XKRS, that comes in at 4.2 seconds, so while the XKRS would be faster than the I-PACE, it'd still give it a very good run for its money. And finally, speaking about fast Jaguars, the XFR comes in at 4.7 seconds. So essentially what I'm saying is the Jaguar I-PACE, it's one mighty fast car. So here we are back at JLR Fen End. We've been for a lovely drive around Fen End and the lovely Warwickshire countryside. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed the video about the Jaguar I-PACE as well. If you have, please do like and subscribe to the channel. I really would appreciate it. Which leaves me one thing to say as always: be good to one another, love life, always be good to animals, and enjoy the rest of your day.